mystery drones of Virginia. Welcome back to our channel, your community for unraveling the unexplained. Today, we delve into a story that has captivated UFO enthusiasts and curious minds, not just in Virginia, but across the country. Strange coordinated drone sightings are occurring over several Virginia towns, sparking a swirl of questions and theories. The governor has also addressed the phenomenon, while state legislators are scrambling for answers. Are these advanced technological experiments, government secrets, or perhaps something out of this world? Grab your favorite beverage, settle in, and explore the imaginative depths of mystery drones of Virginia. Picture this. It's a quiet summer evening somewhere near Richmond. The warm air carries the sounds of a typical night, the chirping of crickets, distant conversations, the occasional bark from a neighbor's dog. But then comes some unknown initiative. Out of nowhere, strange lights appear in the sky, steady, silent, and moving in strange patterns. They're not airplanes, they're too quiet for helicopters, and they're clearly not natural phenomena like shooting stars. The sight is mesmerizing and eerie. Locals describe the drones as clusters of flashing lights in what they can only call coordinated formations. Some say they are just hovering around, while others insist they are moving with purpose as part of a controlled operation. Whatever their behavior, one thing is clear: they are advanced. But advanced in what way and for what purpose? Speculation is rife. Could these drones be the handiwork of a private tech company conducting secret field tests on new technologies? Given that industries from delivery to agriculture are making significant use of drones, this seems plausible. Or is it a bold hobby on the verge of legality? This isn't the first time drone enthusiasts have pushed their limits to grab attention. But there's a more compelling theory, a shadowy government operation. Perhaps these machines aren't a big secret, perhaps part of military or intelligence projects that are kept out of the public eye. Could the surveillance testing of unsuspecting towns be classified? As other incidents have shown, this is not unprecedented. The elusive thing is secrecy. The governor has even confirmed that these sightings are not just rumors, forcing state officials to push federal agencies for briefings. Despite this push, those in the know have committed to maintaining silence, leaving the public surprised and concerned. And of course, we can't ignore the whispers surrounding such mysteries. Could this, the aerial displays that defy our common understanding, really be linked to something other? Virginia's dark skies are perfect for UFO sightings. What if these aren't extraterrestrial? The Virginia governor's office assured the public that there was no immediate threat, even though the drones were under active investigation. But that cautious, deliberate rhetoric did nothing to inspire confidence. It leaves ample room for theory, and let's face it, some discomfort. Why the secrecy? If this was a harmless move, wouldn't officials be interested in dispelling the hysteria with simple facts? Despite state lawmakers' requests for clear explanations, federal agencies have been surprisingly silent. Do they not even know the origin of these drones? Or are they withholding information to maintain operational security? To some UFO enthusiasts, the silence is deafening and suspicious. When the skies hold secrets and those in power don't provide answers, speculation is not inevitable, it's natural. Uncertainty brings different responses. For tech enthusiasts, the idea that these drones represent cutting-edge engineering or secret designs inspires a kind of optimism, a fascination with what is new and possible. They see progress, a potential glimpse into tomorrow's technology. Others, however, feel real alarm. They worry that this represents a breach of transparency, that government secrets are being openly aired, but citizens are not being treated as if they are under interpretation. This lack of clarity breeds anxiety and fear. After all, if the authorities know what is happening but don't tell them, how much control do they really have? But it's stories like these that excite UFO researchers the most. Phenomena that raise the possibility of otherworldly possibilities. Are these glowing groups of beings from Earth? Are they visitors, watching us from above in a technological age beyond our own? If history teaches us anything, it's that unusual aerial sightings tend to divide communities into skeptics and believers. Sometimes mysteries like this drone phenomenon have mundane origins, a weather balloon gone awry, or a child's remote controlled project gone too far. And yet other times, mysteries remain mysteries. They spark fresh debates, challenge our perspective, and push the boundaries of the imagination. What this story suggests about modern life is particularly intriguing. Technology is advancing rapidly, but so is our capacity for curiosity and anxiety. Today, the line between fact and fiction, the natural and the supernatural, is blurring effortlessly. In an age when the unexplainable still hovers over our heads, everyone wonders, what else are we missing in this sky filled with mysteries? For now, all we can do is be patient, informed, and open minded. Maybe these drones are truly groundbreaking prototypes, a sign that innovation is just around the corner. Maybe they're harmless enthusiasts who accidentally sparked global interest. Or maybe, and isn't this a very exciting prospect, these mysterious drones are what we've only just begun to imagine. Until the answers are finally revealed and the clouds of mystery over Virginia clear, let's keep the conversation alive. UFO enthusiasts, technical observers, and skeptics alike have a shared role here, exploring and questioning until the truth flies free. If this Virginia mystery drone hunt intrigued you, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for ongoing updates. We promise to follow this story closely for any developments as they arise. Now it's up to you. What do you think these drones could be? Are they man-made, top secret, or truly otherworldly? Let us know in the comments below. After all, mysteries are best solved when we search for the truth together.